What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Loomly. Loomly is an all-in-one social media management platform that simplifies the process of creating, scheduling, and analyzing content across multiple channels. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Loomly empowers marketers to effectively manage their social media presence and drive engagement with their audience. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and key features. Post planning and scheduling. Loomly's post planning and scheduling feature allows you to visually plan and schedule content in one location. You can drag and drop posts to another day in the calendar view, create dedicated calendars for each brand and client, and get daily post ideas for content inspiration. Loomly automatically generates post previews and grid previews, ensuring content quality before publishing. With auto-publishing to all connected social media channels, audience targeting, post sponsoring, and post optimization tips, you can save time and drive better performance. The feature also allows you to customize post per channel with alt text, tagging, and cover images, ensuring that your content is tailored for each platform's requirements. Collaboration and approvals. Loomly's collaboration and approvals features enables seamless teamwork and client involvement. You can create dedicated calendars for each brand or project, invite clients and collaborators with role-based permissions, and send review notifications for individual posts or full calendars. The feature keeps comments private to your team, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure. Loomly also allows you to customize your branded dashboard with a subdomain, logo, and favicon, building trust with clients through a professional and personalized platform. Content Calendar and Library. Loomly's Content Calendar and Library feature centralizes all your visual assets in one place. You can bring in assets from Canva, Google Drive, and Unsplash, and create engaging slideshows and visuals using Loomly Studio. The feature allows you to preview posts before publishing to ensure content quality, provide real-time feedback with comments, and track changes with version logs for transparency. With the ability to filter visuals by date, usage, and more, you can easily find the assets you need for your content creation process. Campaign Management. Loomly's campaign management feature helps you organize and streamline your social media campaigns. You can add labels to assets and pair them with campaigns, toggle between calendar and list view based on your preference, and filter visuals by date, usage, and more. The feature also allows you to create post templates and notes to speed up the content creation process, saving you valuable time and effort. Analytics and Reports. Loomly's Analytics and Reports features provide detailed insights into your social media performance. You can track post performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics, and gain a deeper understanding of your audience to optimize your content strategy. The feature automatically schedules reports to be delivered to your inbox, ensuring that you stay informed about your social media success. You can export specific data ranges to PDF format and customize the exported analytics data to suit your specific needs, making it easy to share insights with stakeholders and make data-driven decisions. Community Management. Loomly's community management feature enables you to efficiently manage conversations across multiple social media channels. You can respond to comments and messages from one central inbox, assign them to team members for timely responses, and set up automated replies for common inquiries. The feature also allows you to monitor brand mentions and hashtags, ensuring that you stay on top of relevant discussions and engage with your audience. By collaborating with team members on responses, you can provide high-quality customer service and build stronger relationship with your community. When it comes to pricing, Loomly offers 4 pricing plans to accommodate businesses of all sizes. The basic plan is the most affordable option, perfect for small businesses or individuals starting with social media management. It includes essential features like a content calendar, post builder, and basic analytics. Standard plan builds upon the basic plan, offering additional features such as team collaboration, approval workflows, and more advanced analytics, ideal for growing businesses or marketing teams. The advanced plan includes all the features of the standard plan, plus custom branded dashboards, audience targeting, post sponsoring, and a higher number of social media connections and team members, well suited for businesses with multiple brands or clients. The premium plan is designed for businesses that require the most comprehensive set of features and support. Includes all the features of the advanced plan, plus dedicated support with an account manager. Tailored pricing is available upon request. Loomly also offers a 15-day free trial for new users to explore the full range of features without limitations or credit card required. Additionally, a 50% lifetime discount is available for teams and individuals who present a copy of their determination letter or equivalent government-issued document. Loomly's comprehensive pricing plans and feature make it the ideal social media management platform for businesses of all sizes. With a 15-day free trial and discounts available, there's never been a better time to streamline your social media workflow and take your online presence to the next level. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.